So Matt got a little adventurous today. Trying to go through some snow. Got a little sideways. So I forgot my kinetic strap today, so we're just using a, what is that, Matt? A 3,000 pound, not even a tow rope, just a ratchet strap. So let's see how this works out.
Something Matt Moore would never use.
Matt would never use this. He would not approve, but Matt Milner would. Alright, I think we got the high center pretty good. We're pretty high centered on the other side now on the rails, so.
Yeah, we need something to pull it this way, but.
Yeah, let me try to move you forward just a little bit.
Okay.
And then, yeah, just barely any gas. See if we can get you going that way, but it's, you know, it's tilted back. If anything, it might be a good idea for you to go backwards just a little bit. You know?
Yeah.
In fact, I'm going to let pressure off of that. Go backwards, just see where your tire would be on the top of the dirt right there. Go back like a foot or whatever if it'll let you. And then I've got a, you know what? I've got a shovel. So let me take a little bit of this out. We got some tree roots over there holding things up that he's high centered on, so he's got his sawzall and he's cutting those out right now. Put a little bit of this under the tires in the front. Give them a little traction. You take it nice and easy. Just, is it in 4 low?
It's in 4 low.
Yeah, so just, I put some sand and rock up here in front.
Okay.
So, you should have a little bit of traction now, but I'll keep good tension on it. So if you feel it slipping, just stop and then I can come forward and jerk on it just a little bit. Okay. Let's have you back up again, Matt. I think we're getting closer. I think we reached about as far as the traction sand and everything on us.
Not?
Huh? No, you made it past the sand. Well, I put it.
Definitely not.
I think the rope broke.
Well, yeah, but it broke at the knot. snow right now.
Yeah.
I might back up a little more.
I wouldn't back up more than. No, I think it's okay if you back up.
Yeah, it's famous. Yeah, because that tire's on 2 inches of snow.
Back up just an inch and then I'll feel the same as those. Because she's in the back now.
Looks like I got here just in the nick of time.
Yeah, I was going to say, your timing is impeccable. Thanks a lot.
Hey, I think it was the wishful thinking.
What's that?
I think it was my wishful thinking.
You're right.
Yeah.
Well, that's a doozy. Well, good job, Matt.
I know, right? Well, I guess there's nothing I can do.
You can sit there and cheer us on. You got some pom-poms or nothing? All right.
Nothing. I got nothing.
Well, thank you for being willing. We appreciate it. So.
Yeah, you could have hollered earlier.
Oh, we got this thing called pride, you know. It never serves me well, though. That's the problem.
I suffer from the same thing.
We all do. All of us guys do. But thank you. That looks better. So we got it out. 25 minutes. Not too bad, Matt. Probably better get some tires that have some tread on them one of these days. That means